I say you don't know, so we're in the building right now with a big man, the CMA winner for this year 2012. You see me I say Rawpa Crawpa from out of London. You see me I say South London, right? Yes, South London. You see me I say the man in the building, the man I do some serious work in the thing. You see me I say the man now loafed in the thing, the man now jerk the chicken in the thing. I work in my work. You see me I say. So they say all the man travel all 100 and odd miles come for an interview, you must know. So if you support the man, support the music, you see what I say, and listen to the message and what the man have to bring to you. You see what I say? We have a couple tunes for Rawpa have some new tunes, some tunes that I don't even know about yet. Cause the Rawpa stay, I'm always release the new thing them, you see what I say? Him not lay up with the thing them. You see what I say? So without no more long delay, you see what I say? We make Rawpa Crawpa come telling you where I come from, where music thing I start from, you see what I say? And previous artists and sound system and producers that him work with in the past, you see what I say? So people, this is the Rawpa Crawpa, here for yourself, the man there in a Birmingham, live and direct. Rawpa!
You see the Birmingham people big up on themselves in London. I say things set no man, black team not burn up, you know. Well, you don't know what's saying up and time and they are putting the work. So me I say, down that yard. Well, we did there we are going deal with the pan our way see them and reach abroad. Well, we don't know, so we have a bag of opportunity and we never each panic. We just go and put in some works and dedicate it as well. So me I push out the new thing them.
Yeah, man.
So I know each thing, so me I say, I work, hard work, and that put over there. So me I say dedication, straight. Remember me tell you.
Yeah. So, Rawpa, let the people them know when you start off this music thing, but the first place to start off, why inspire you to come and say, yo, you know what? I write some tune and I go sing some tune and maybe people them hear me as a singer or as otherwise as somebody else, but they you want them to know you as a singer. So let them know what start you off best up.
You see, it's like first of all, it's a crew thing. Me I come from Scottish Anonymous. So me I say, I know say my first started record Jiggy Starboy. I give you, yeah, nothing. Artist no. Me I recording artist no man, vinyl and then sitting there no, LP and them something there no. You see me? Yeah. I can just start so we start doing thing and like it and you don't know say, it's so right. Yeah. You don't know as a Jamaican youth, who don't love nothing like how we love music. You see me I say, we love music that different. Works man, so inspiration come from them time they don't know you are born to do. You are merciless. So me I say, being a man, ninja man, a bag of artists them, so we can approve artists them, you know. And we can put the words them together. We can put the bars them. So me I say, as we say that foreign again where we have more opportunity and bigger opportunity, why not make it work?
You hear that? You see me I say? So when you started, you know what I mean, what inspire you to make you say, yo, I'm going to turn an artist, or you going to be an artist then? What was that turning point in your life? Because you must have been doing something else before you end up turning around and say, yo, you know what? And music, me say, we know we love music from we are little boy. Because from little boy, I connect up all of them, be of them little things. My stereo make a 5 different stereo. The cassette player come from a Panasonic and the CD part come from a, you know what I mean? I just be a different and 10 different speakers. So what inspire you? What kick you off?
You see, as a little youth, I two things I always prefer doing in life. Play basketball or do music. So it's a bit hard. I didn't get a chance to go to America that early. Oh, yeah. Me always have to play in the NBA and sitting there now. And that I did me pre. What you talking about? Yo, I wicked basketball player.
I believe you because when me start off, me was a dancer. Me never a DJ. Me used to dance. We used to go out there and just dance. And it just turned. So, me know what you say.
You see me I say so? First of all, a basketball me think about. Me I say, right, me not get certain chance to reach America. Me I get all older. But, yet still, me and my friend them, we always a DJ and a clash. Like, turn the bounty, tune them or merciless, tune them. And clash each other. You see me I say about mother or whatsoever, but that just fun we have, you see me? And from the stars, I say, I reach and I say, rah. I'm a thing and they say, any work, the best work for do I want what you love. And that's what I tell you, say, 2 work, I always love basketball and music. True. You see me I say, basketball not really work in England.
True.
But music work worldwide.
True.
So I'm just take it to them lyrically.
Oh, you hear that? You see me I say? So when you started it, you see, you mentioned a few people that you worked with. Right now, at this present moment, who you work with? Who are your promoter and your, you know what I mean, that's pushing your music, that's dealing with your thing right now?
Alright, you see right about now. You see, from the BBM TV, go right back to the whole Rawpa Crawpa issues. Only Rawpa Crawpa and French Touch they behind the thing. And we alone. Everything where it's done, and we alone do it. Yeah.
And French Touch there.
French Touch there, big up yourself, see me also, management, you see me? So everything we done, and we do it by our own and we do it by ourselves. You see me? A lot of people come and say, Ray, and they want this and they want that, but at the moment, anything that them can do, me can do it. And so once me can
do it yourself. Alright.
So that's why, oi, Dada, don't me do it myself. Right now, me can edit video, me can do everything. All me do, everything me do it myself. Only thing what me do, me and a DJ, so me do here, me can here play them for myself. But your joke, me still haven't, and we soon do it.
Yeah.
But now, me have the net, Facebook, Twitter, Reverb Nation, SoundCloud. Oi, me not play with the net.
Everywhere with them.
Me not play with the promotion. You see me I say, because watch it now. You read the promotion big, but it's them small promotion they bigger. Because one time a radio station play half a tune. And one time a DJ whole theme vibes and talking a quarter that the half a tune there. And some sound effect come down with you and go bump a tune.
True.
When they go up on YouTube, Facebook or Twitter, they can repeat it all 30 times.
Alright.
So
true.
that for also make artists them know say them have a lot of gain and benefit in them promotion. You see me I say, so you put in the works and do your thing. And again, more time there's a lot of important people in the business also looking for new talent. But here I go now, if them see you not really push your thing and you not nothing, they're not gonna show no matter how you wicked. Because you know you're not showing no interest, so they're not gonna show none. But you see when time did this one time I put in works every day and I say, John no. I love the works that time I put in. By the time you couldn't turn black till him burn up, him thing turn up.
No, that one that deserve Trust me, hey, Rawpa Crawpa in the building. Before we even drill the man no more further, yeah, we have two children lined up for you. I'm there, may I think which one of them to start with first. We can't even call this the next one of them name because me don't know how to call the name of it. But me love the tune. Me go to London go hear about the tune. Yeah. Rawpa, that more you know. London me go hear about that tune there.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? At them day when a man tell me say, yo, Rawpa Crawpa and him have a tune, you know hear the tune, ray. I say, no, me know Rawpa Crawpa, but me not hear the tune there. So me make it my point of duty to find the tune. You see what I say? Which, when I said earlier, SoundCloud.
As I said, Jiggy, I not cut about your joke. It's the version, yeah? This is the second version, it's the remix. Now, it's the original version.
Oh.
Rawpa, Gunna D, and Gigs.
Okay.
You see me I say, a Rawpa Crawpa SN1 original version come from an original version they built a Unit 10 2007 and they shell down the whole place. But give you joke then time there. Nobody knows say I mean everybody a feel say a sound effect on them back foot there. No! Nah, me not get no, me not get no props for the tune. No, me not get no props for the tune there. Because everybody feel say a soundtrack. So you know what me do? Me I say alright. Right now, me all black thing, I burn up and my thing over turn up. So you know what I do? I go do a remix. And see them bars there, and my bars again. So when I was going to record all of them, the producer said my bars having too much of them word there. So me I say, what, me that business, this is true.
Me I tell you.
Words there. Yeah. Me still let's go remix and put in the whole of them words there. So I remix the original and it's still black till it burn up. It still turn up.
Still turn up loud. In a Jamaica, when we a little picnic and we grew up, when you know want to say them word, yeah, normally we say, well, plate clot, right? So that's the best way we can come up to describe this rhythm and this tune here that Rawpa Crawpa did. So if you know what I mean when I say plate clot, you must know what me I talk about, you see what I'm saying? So, before we even drill the artist any further, me gonna play the tune there because me want me itch to play it. We have a lot of edited in it. It's edited because the tune is rated like 35 or something. You get me? Not even 18. Me I tell you, a big people something this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take a listen to the tune. I hear the man say from 2007 this tune there.
No, not this one. This one though.
The version, the other version.
The other version, yeah.
Yeah, so it's been kind of like the same tune, but this I like. Which one is this? Is the newer one or this is the older one?
No, it's the newer one.
This is the remix
them
one?
total different. Uncle, the intro I see him on this.
Oh, the intro.
Yeah, don't
say. Okay.
This is they rhythm, they rhythm.
Yeah. Okay. So this one, you know, I want to check out this one there. You see what I'm saying? Because sometimes I feel for just sit down and go on like a rapper do the tune. I mean, not lie, seriously. So take a listen to the tune here. And don't mind the edited because we have edited because you don't know Destiny Media. We don't play unedited tunes on this radio station, you understand? So take a listen to this Rawpa Crawpa.
I bet they know as well. If they want to hear the original version, just go up on YouTube or SoundCloud. You see me say BBM TV 1. You see me say I just put in Rawpa Crawpa. And it will come up. You have an idea what I talk about. As you said, this edit said probably not going to get the full 100, but full 100 up on YouTube.
The full 100 on YouTube.
Anything you want to Rawpa Crawpa, just Google. Don't act like a poodle. Just Google. Google.
So this is Rawpa Crawpa though. With this tune you call that's what I'm trying to make you understand. Say, yo, rated 35 and over. You see what I'm saying? But you know me want to ask Rawpa Crawpa. What inspire you to when you're going to write the tune? What inspire you to really write the tune when you write this tune? What do you think about? Because when me listen to the tune there, if you know, when me I think about, me just want to cuss people. So me want to know what you think about when you sing the tune there.
And you joke, you know, say, at them pints that is a little dopey. Maybe just a shulker thing. You know, they want them, there's a shulker dopey. You see me say, maybe a shulker say, maybe I use them can't accuse dopey again. You see me I say?
No. Rawpa say my try to show the dopey. No, sometimes I have to show the dopey them say you're not afraid of them. You go box and kick and thump them same way. Yeah, you have to show the dopey them because some people out there afraid of dopey, you know. And as the marker tell the dopey know who for frightened.
Alright.
But you see that Rawpa Crawpa the frightened of dopey neither.
Now man, we chill dopey again, man.
Destiny Media, only hear it for yourself.
Man,
listen what the man say.
From the black, right, see, right, flash,
them but up that. Start to be a run from the shot. Baga, one baga shot. Blood start lashing, no bounty killer but me beat up your man them. Say them bad people, please don't follow them. Say them bad ones, keep them go slow them. We gunshot to make them fish sure. Make them blood, we run like sure. Make me gun warm. But as me no left me a yard, me take out of the port a liter weapon. Squeeze it for you, real when you weapon. First one real up the man. Now when the chargers, this man, back board run it. This man, go to do the best me shoes, yes man. Come here,
Me I tell you, the tune there, it mad. It mad. Me love the unedited version. Nah, like me love it when it raw. Me love the raw version. You see what I'm saying? Some people say, me no know. They not like. Some people don't like to hear the raw reggae music or raw dancehall music. You see what I'm saying? Which me have a problem with, really and truly. It's only because we have to understand and respect people, rules and laws and regulations and certain things. You see what I'm saying? Because reason, let me give my reason why me not support it or understand or agree with it. You see what I'm saying? It's because I want they show up on TV. You see what I'm saying?
I see something I said to you now.
When they must show up on TV,
I see
you understand? People seeing that. You understand? And me as a man believe, and all the scientists them to believe. People will learn things more when you show them it than when you tell them it. You understand? So me as a man no believe in none at all about edit music and that. When 50 Cent still a collect Grammy and MBE award and a mobile award or whatever they want to call it. You understand? Eminem, them people, nasty, the whole of them. You see what I'm saying? They must sing the same thing where them Jamaican artists here are sing.
Are even worse.
Are even worse. You see what I'm saying? Because them are bring it down to the teeth. You see what I'm saying? And Jamaican people only say it the way all them see it. You see what I'm saying? It's just the same thing. You see what I'm saying? They just speak differently. So that means them are going to sing differently. You understand? And use different kind of words and phrases. You understand? But me not support it none at all. But like how we done with the plate clock tune there. You see what I'm saying? We don't need to YouTube it or SoundCloud it because me find it on SoundCloud. So that means we can find it on SoundCloud. You see what I'm saying?
Well, I know they also can find it on the album on iTunes. Black film about up album. You know.
Oh yes, you have an album out right now, Black Till the Bun Up. You understand? You see it on the flash because we did use a cover if you understand. So yes, you have an album out you can download on iTunes. So you see the man now play with them thing. When I say iPad, I say iTunes. You understand? So you go on it, you pay your £1 or how much them I sell them for. And you buy the man too, just like you buy Christina Aguilera and Jennifer Lopez and that's the thing there. So they go on there, check out the man thing and support the thing because we as Jamaican and black people are Jamaican background. And when I grew up and I go to school, when I learn my motto, our motto as black people is out of many one people. You see what I'm saying?
Bang.
So when I see our next youth, our next person come next tune on a CD when I don't know about, but I go work with that one here and then we'll go on the CD and make rap and I couldn't know what I go on that. With this Aisha. Remember tune featuring Aisha though?
Yeah.
You have it right?
Yeah man,
Fly away. You see what I'm saying? Before we even play it, make people know what this tune is all about. When you write this tune, what message you get in this tune here before we play it.
Alright, so when I feel ladies them, so me I say, down here I feel relationship wise, so me I say, one time a female don't know, so them in a relationship and them loved up and everything all great. So me I say, some of them feel like butterfly and some of them feel like they want to fly. You see me? So yeah, it's all about relationship. So me I say, it's all about love, all about unity and strength. Cause when I say unity is strength, so in a relationship more time, if you're powerful like that, you feel like you can't fly. Jiggy Starboy, Jiggy. Destiny Media.
Baby girl, it's the love where you show me right now. It make me all feel free. It make me not step on no one. Just spread words and fly. Yeah, we can. Fly away, fly away. Cross the rivers, cross the sky. Ain't no valid reason why. Oh, we can. Fly away, fly away. Cross the rivers, cross the sky. Ain't no valid
Baby girl, you know me not this you. Violate me not box me not kick you. Baby girl, you're pretty white.
We can fly away, cross the rivers, cross the sky. Ain't no valid reason why. Oh, we can fly away.
Have a step on now, and a story for us.
Yeah, we can fly away, cross the rivers, cross the sky. Ain't no valid reason why. Oh, we can fly away, cross the rivers, cross the sky. Ain't no valid reason why. Oh, we can, no, we can.
So goes out to the people in them relationship. The one they name.
Fly away, baby, fly away. Fly away, baby, fly away. You make me feel just like Superman. I want to fly with you in my hand. In the sky and steer near land. Hold the tight and get some ping pong. Bing, 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 bang, bang, bang. Beat my chest just like the other. My chest, scratch this anonymous. Baby girl, know we fly anonymous. In the sky and do it like a Vegas. When we wake, we got married to you.
What is that you ladies them?
Girl, you know me not this you. Box me not kick you. Baby girl, you're pretty white.
We can fly away, cross the rivers, cross the sky. Ain't no valid reason why. Oh, we can fly away, cross the rivers, cross the sky. Ain't no valid reason why. Oh, we can, no, we can.
Makes me want to fly.
Yeah, we can.
I am touch the sky. I am touch the sky.
Yeah, we can.
Makes me feel so high. Makes me feel so high. My baby girl, my baby girl, my baby girl. You're the reason why. My baby girl, my baby girl, my baby girl. Fly away, baby, fly away. Fly away, baby, fly away. Fly away, baby, fly away.
Trust me, massive. You hear what he said? Fly away. You know, sometimes you're in a relationship, like what the band said, you're so in love, you feel like Superman. The woman feel like Lois Lane. Yeah, that's the thing there. That's what the man trying to tell you. Think hard.
Ain't no valid reason why. Oh, we can, no, we can.
So you see, it's not all about just bad man tune and gangster tune and them things there. It's about relationship, you see what I'm saying? So the man versatile, the man will show you about your relationship so people can relate to this one. Just like the other one we played before. In some way, I know you can relate to it. Papi, big up yourself. Lady Destiny, big up yourself. DJ Moore, big up yourself. Big up people, Papi say Rawpa Crawpa, but Dan, big up yourself. So big up
Myself, Papi.
Papi right now over there. So see the chat room over there. So line up everything there. You see what I say? So yeah, that one was about relationship. You see what I'm saying? And the one there, me never have to ask what inspire him because he's a man. He must be in a relationship. So I must some form of relationship make him write the tune here. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So big up them the tune there. You see what I'm saying? Big up people them say yo. A relationship and a thing real, and another thing 110%. But we have another tune here where I shell down the whole of London. I'm going to say shell down, I not talk joke, I not talk eggshell, I not talk it weak, I not talk it just broke up and shelly. You see what I'm saying? I talk the thing and mash down the place, building a drop down people's shoes, last then can't find them coat, all of them things there.
Mad!
Mad! You see what I'm saying? That tune here, it named Black till it burn up. You see what I'm saying? Before me even play it. You see what I'm saying? Rapper. Tell them what you mean when they say black till it burn up.
I hear go on, if you know it's not a racial discrimination. It's just so me I say black till me burn up. It's not even mean say me all black like that or what's but here I go on. Right now everybody thing turn up loud and turn up. So me I say, oh my thing turn up right now, I'm burning up. I'm so burnt up. So that me I try. in case they never know. And that me I try to show them say black team na burn up. Simple mean when we party till the sun come up. So me I say black team na burn up. That simple mean as something turn up. So me I say it's all about party vibes.
Party vibes.
And that club we are going to
people in the chat room. Lady Destiny say yes, relationship. You see me I say? Love in the Monday show. Yeah, see, rap by the building.
When we are party, everything turn up. La 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 la. Oh oh, my things so turned up. Oh oh, and I'm so burnt up. La 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 la. Oh oh, your thing ain't turned up. Oh oh, like ice and freeze up. You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up. You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up. You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up. That simply means that everything turn up. You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up. You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up. You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up. When we are party, everything.
Hey, and I turn up in the body burn up.
Till me burn up.
Ah.
You see me black, till me burn up. You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up.
Now if you turn up the stove too high, everything burn up. No.
You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up. You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up. You see me black, you see me black, till me burn up. When we are party, everything turn up. When we are can record, everything turn up low. You see me black, I burn me burn up. I saw me thing turn up. RRrRRRRrRrRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR
Yes, Rawpa. Yes, Rawpa Crawpa. Me I tell you the one there. Me like the one there. Black till it burn up. You understand? When I say the thing turn up. You understand? And well, it mean the same thing. So if you know what I mean, it mean the same thing.
No, I upgrade.
And yeah. And the new version, cause everybody has said turn up. So we have said burn up.
Yeah, man,
you know what I'm saying?
burn up, man.
Which means if you turn it up, it a go burn up. So that means it burn up. You get what I say? Yeah, me like the one there. Me gonna be beating the one upon Destiny Media. See it there? Maria dance. Maria love the one there. See it there for yourself. You see what I say? And the big bad Destiny Media. You see what I'm saying? Which is my first. This is my first interview, live interview on Destiny Media. You see what I'm saying? We done previous interview before, but this is the first live interview on Destiny Media with myself, DJ Jiggy Starboy. You see what I say? So Rawpa Crawpa. Before we go to your CD, because we got to your CD now, where you bring come all the way from London, so that means I'll be exclusive. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, and look, we might give a look freestyle and look, like, you know what I mean? We could hear some new things, we're not even there on plastic yet, you see what I'm saying? So Rawpa Crawpa, before you even go into that, make the people know a little bit more about you, you understand? And as well, where them can find you, and who them need to contact, you see what I'm saying? When them need to find the Rawpa Crawpa, see?
See it there, black till my bun up, man. Yeah, man. As me I say, you can find Rawpa Crawpa on Facebook. I know Rawpa Crawpa is a mad name to most people. That's what I say. Rawpa Crawpa, can I name that? You name mad. Black team, I burn up, man. I think different. Yeah, man, you can find me. Twitter, at Rawpa. Facebook, Rawpa Crawpa. Rawpa Crawpa spelled RAWPA space CRAWPA. As me I say, YouTube, Google, YouTube, Rawpa 1 or BBM TV 1. Also can find me on the BBM website, www.bbmtv1.com. That's the website. Also, you can also find me at my website again, RRrRRRgGGgGGhHHhh. So me I say, Facebook, every information, booking details and stuff like that, you contact management French Touch. Facebook, Emmanuel Akeze. BB pin right now, I don't even know them out of mail, but hear me have a say. All you have to do this.
Go on the website.
Go on the website and every information you need. It's on the website. Also, all the information is on YouTube. Any one of my links them you go on, all the information is there where you can contact. Crazy thing, you see me I say. Yeah. And as me I say, remember say, a album Black till me burn up out, so you no need to go and help and support the thing. You see me I say, remember say, music, stop no file, you them from up and down on road and be a different thing. So people don't need to support the thing more. That we I say. Destiny Media to roll. Jiggy Starboy Black till we burn up.
You have a CD in.
You have a CD in?
You have a CD in. You have that thing called Breast Affair.
Yeah, man.
Line up. So,
Kick you when you're ready.
kick you when you're ready?
Yeah, man. If you girl them know. They're different thing, you know. All the babe mother them put one hand in her ear. Bring foot a youth you gone clear. Very expensive and dear. Some girl breed but don't youth is not dear. This is a burst of fear. This is a burst of fear. Girl want to bust right here. Make them talk of your breast them stiff. You know business. If I see you spend your money. So I feel you spend your money. So I feel you. This is a burst of fear. You see your breast them, sweet like sour soap. Them ripe off a tree, them not drop. You see your breast them, girl your breast them firm, them now wobble. And your nipple them me want tackle. You see your breast them, and me alone I caress them. Every man inna the place does a rush them. Every man know how road want touch them. I like baby and me alone hush them. Girl come in and me do me mobilize them. Me work all night and up with him. That's if tacky that they on the listing. Walk me your leg, he beating, skin start burning, she start screaming. She start screaming, it's like she dreaming. It's like a scary movie, she just starring. To the whole next year, be a balling. Round a house back, she up the balling. Meanwhile, me a beat her with the trailing. Just like a crab, she start the crying. Me haul me knife in. Tell her best friend, but like a carry. Man! What me I say? I like stiff legs them out there. Yeah! What me say? Put on a ear. All I be a man, I big up on yourself. Where's that Queen Jubilee? All I be a man, I'm mad legend man round there now. Destiny Media. Jiggy Starboy. If I never crop I could have who? This is a verse of what me say? What me say do? Make it like your breast them stiff, you know business. If I see you hold, you spend your money. So I feel you spend your money. So I feel you. This is a verse of fear. If you allow with your breast, you can show across their shoulder. This is a fear. You see your breast them, sweet like sour soap. Them ripe off a tree, them not drop. You see your breast them, girl your breast them firm, them now wobble. And your nipple them me want tackle. You see your breast them, and me alone I caress them. Every man inna the place does a rush them. Every man know how road want touch them. Me say like baby I'm alone. Girl come in and me do me mobilize them. Me work all night and up with them. If cocky that they on the list. Walk me your leg, feet beating, skin start burning, she start screaming. She start screaming, it's like she dreaming. It's like a scary movie, she just starring. To the whole next year, be a balling. Round a house back, she pop chop falling. Meanwhile, me a beat her with the trailing. Just like a crab, she start the crawling. Me haul me knife in. Girl, your best friend just like a carry. Tell us your breast them, you say your breast them.
see your breast them, you see your breast them. I'm me alone, I can rest them. Look like I'm a petty stiff like I am. We looking at just as me happy with the girl. And if you jump too close just like a ball. Your breast pull up me palm like a basketball. Me want some dunk like Michael Jordan. He can breast up like the Jordan. All the things say she not take no man.
I go play that one, yeah. Just, alright, so like I'm going to dedicate track 4 to my wife. I'm going to dedicate track 3 to all of the women them. You see what I'm saying? So all of the women them right now, married, Lady Destiny, all of them are Chelsea, the whole IP. So they want to hardcore. Remember, if they have kids around,
no, not like that.
Okay. Because sometimes...
I Angel name, you know.
Okay. So that means, look at me to pick them, listen to
I
it.
Angel name, man. I Angel name.
Oh, name Angel?
Yeah, man.
Chat goes, name Angel. Oh, wonder why you can't come up with a name. Tell me before me play. Why you come up with that chat name, Angel?
I just don't know. It's like it I say. I love the way she flow like an angel. You know, some more time a girl man wind up themselves. You see me I say, and go and I say, John, what's that? The baby, the girl like, I'm moving, man. I say, I love how she flow. I say, love the way you flow like an angel. Baby girl, let me I feel Gabriel.
You see?
And
for the girls them. So one here for the girls them, we just walk out of heaven. We are going to play the one here for the girls them, rapper.
All and the one also, the one here, Rawpa Crawpa. Featuring French touch. You see me I say management, see me baby.
Oh, so French touch. Wait! So look how long we did I interview this man and the first man was a French touch I sing. French touch. No man! We don't support that one there. So 2 interview me supposed to do. I'm on the live like for Rawpa Crawpa like I'm on the star again. We don't say I'm a star, but the French touch is a star too. Alright, so that one there French touch and Rawpa Crawpa in the place. You see what I'm saying? The track entitled Angel. So you see, I love when management versatile.
Yeah.
They can help you with every area of your music.
Yeah.
And them people we call management. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, because some people say them a management, you call them, they don't even know what the rhythm name and them thing, they don't even know what to give you, you see what I'm saying? From week as she a text me, not even rapper text me, and a rapper me interview, she a contact me, and I say, yo, rare, you see what I'm saying?
Point,
she on time and on point with what she a do, you see what I'm saying? So big up French touching at the building, you see what I'm saying? Combination style with the Rawpa Crawpa, track entitled Angel. Take a listen at this one.
You don't know you're tuning into Jiggy Starboy. Shut it.
One nation record. You wanna pick your name? I love the way you do it, baby. I like the way you twist for papi. I love the way you do it, baby. Looking so caliente, mommy. Why the way you shake that body? Love the way you flow like an angel. Baby girl, well me I feel Gabriel. But you can what tell me come from me, pen. Friends not chat, take out your head. One nation record.
Mad.
You wanna pick your name?
Mad.
I love the way you do it, baby. I like the way you twist for papi. I love the way you do it, baby. Looking so caliente, mommy. Why the way you shake that body? Love the way you flow like an angel. Baby girl, well, me I feel Gabriel. But you know what tell me come from me, pen. Friends touch her and take her to heaven. Love the way you flow like an angel. Baby girl, well, me I feel Gabriel. But you know what tell me come from me, pen. Friends touch her and take her to heaven. Friends touch her and take her to heaven. Inna me arms, she no want go no raving. Deep in love, so she say she love craving. Big bad a baby will say she love how me raving. On her finger me put a diamond ring. Inna the house and no cooking her cleaning. Bedroom bully say she start on the ceiling. Float me and flow like breeze pan tree limb. Love the way you a flow like an angel. Baby girl,
Come on, angels them out there.
but you can what tell me come.
When me guys I'm say them a real angel. Destiny what me say.
Love the way you a flow like an angel.
That is Rawpa Crawpa right now.
Me a feel
You don't want to hear the
what tell me come.
French touch here right now. Makes you say.
Baby boo, j'aime ta présence. Pour la caramel, toucher ciel, tu me fais voir la confiance. Les plus charmés, il est elle. Your angel.
Tell me look how you twang. Wine for the thing and you take for the
Voice mad.
love the way you a flow like an angel. Baby girl, well me a feel Gabriel. But you can what tell me come from me a pen. Friends touch her and take her to heaven. Love the
Yeah, French toucher. You like the one there? Versatility, crazy.
She want that she don't need no other. She want to give me style, she want to give me mother. She love how this one call me better than swagger. Me her style big thing by Shabba. She roll up me weed and roll it with grabber. Me not roll just don't call me don't mix dagger. Me step on the stage, she finds me do it proper. RRrRRRRrRrRrRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR But like what tell me come from me pen. Friends touch her and take her to heaven. Love the way you flow like an angel. Baby girl, well me I feel Gabriel. But like what tell me come from me pen. Friends touch her and take her to heaven. Love the way you flow like an angel. Baby girl, well me I feel Gabriel. But like what tell me come from me.
Rawpa Crawpa.
And take her to heaven.
You know the rhythm track, yeah.
You flow like an angel.
Who produce the rhythm here and help you produce the tune here and the thing here? Because the tune here, it's, I love how it sounds. So who behind this tune here?
Alright, this is instrumental come from Jamaica. One Nation production. The instrumental come from Jamaica. One Nation production. So me I say it and also black till me born up with him. As me say thing turn up now, me I get beer with him from yard too, you know.
Okay.
So me I say I may produce the tune mixed and mastered by Frost Music. So me I say
Okay.
yeah man, and all I know is upon
Okay.
yeah man, and all I know is upon the CD to me have a tune with me and Frost. That was their number 6, but after you bounce, so you bounce.
Number 4, yeah.
After you bounce number 4, then you can bounce and them step in the club. Mad too.
So that we are gonna play the one where I say now if I dedicate to my wife. So if me can dedicate this one to my wife, that means every man out there can dedicate the tune here to their wife. You see what I'm saying? So I'm not be greedy and script it all for myself. Every man will listen to Destiny Media right now. When it's when I hear the tune here, listen to the words of it, take out some of the words of it and text it to the wife right now.
1 second there, Jiggy.
Yeah.
I know all I man them. Only man them we are king, cause you have some boat there, King Kong. So all I king them represent the one of them queen.
Baby girl, you deserve the crown. Always smiling and never frowning. All in the way you never raise a tone. I'll do it to me bad like Al Capone. She wants to hold me down, down. She wants to hold me down. She wants to wear my crown, crown. She wants to wear my crown. She wants to hold me down, down. She wants to hold me down. She wants to wear my crown, crown. She wants to wear my crown. She never knows what to be like this. She never knows she would feel like this. But she feel it every time we kiss. She feel it like she's in love. She wanna be my wifey. She wanna have my baby. She stick around, she never run around. Baby girl, you deserve my crown. She wants to hold me down, down. She wants to hold me down. She wants to wear my crown, crown. She wants to wear my crown. She wants to hold me down, down. She wants to hold me down. She wants to wear my crown, crown. She wants to wear my crown. Gotta go, 'cause you know you love me, this is true. Gotta go, 'cause you know your man wants you. Gotta go, 'cause you know you love me, this is true. Gotta go, 'cause you know your man wants you. She wants to always smiling and never frowning.
Big up to the man who knows say woman want hold you down. You want keep you on lockdown. Some man them don't want the woman them keep them on lockdown. Me don't know why. But me my woman can lock me down every day. Oh!
She never know it would be like this. She never know she would feel like this. But she feel it every time we kiss. She feel the butterfly, she's in love. She wanna be my wife, she wanna have my baby. She wants to hold me down, down. She wants to hold me down. She wants to wear my crown, crown. She wants to wear my crown. She wants to hold me down, down. She wants to hold me down. She wants to wear my crown, crown. She wants to wear my crown.
you, my wifey.
She wants to hold me down, down. She wants to hold me down. She wants to wear my crown, crown. She wants to wear my crown. She wants to hold me. She wants to hold me down. She wants to wear my crown, crown. She wants to wear my crown.
Me, I tell you, voice out of the man they call Rawpa Crawpa. She wants to hold me down. Me no mind. She can't hold me down.
She wants to hold me down.
Oh.
She wants to hold me down. She wants to wear my crown, crown. She wants to wear my
Rawpa Crawpa.
She wants to hold me
Before we even go into the next tune, because 10 minutes to the hours at 3.
crown. She wants to wear my
We're going to conclude your interview, you see what I'm saying? But before we even reach up to that time, then, I want you to give the people a Rawpa Crawpa without. You ready? Before we go to the track 6, because we know we have track 6 there, the stuff we play. But we want to hear the people hear you as Rawpa Crawpa without the, you know, the record bit and them thing there. Yeah, when you give them an acapella, when you make them hear you as Rawpa Crawpa. You see what I'm saying? The raw version. You see what I'm saying? So, before we go any further, I could hear Rawpa Crawpa good something from all time. Own away, peep style, acapella style. You see me? So, here we go.
Don't know no Jiggy Starboy. Birmingham! Destiny Media. When I say your joke, all of them I even give them nothing too greasy because you see they don't say it all. May I give them some G put it on here. Yeah, connect. Yeah man, may I give them something positive because Jiggy, you know I say more nowadays them look on the young youth them away.
True.
One when I work with the microphone, I'm take it out.
You are
Yeah, you see nowadays them look on the young youth them away like say the young youth them away man. You see me I say Babylon target them and even society target them. You see me I say and I force them on the road and say watch I know even the music thing same way them a fight against the youth them for do music. But if people them for know so watch I know you see 10 youth in a studio a bunch of me I talk it like it is. When you see 10 youth in a studio a bunch of weed and beat them yak. You see me I say a whole of vibes and I spit some bars.
Yeah.
If people ever support the music and endorse it in, because here we go on. It's the same 10 youth there, where they in a shoulder put in the work, then could have out the road a tip on crime. Then could have out there jump up all boat on crime. You see me I say, but no, them in a studio. So, if people must support the artists, them more. You see me I say, and give them more encouragement, because watch I know in a mad way. Me believe in a big head and almighty, but here I go on now. Sometimes slavery abolish, then give with Bible and say God, for we have faith in something. And I say there is a creator, I believe in a most high, but then give Bible for we have faith in something.
Well, them right.
Right. But you see what them not understand right about now is most of young youth them and music are them faith. And that them have hopes and faith in. So they must support you them. And uplift and make you them do their thing because they have talent and uplift them. But right now, I go burn a little bit of fire upon the Babylon them. If I need crap, I could have Birmingham! Destiny Media! Jiggy Starboy! Hear me have say now. When I jump on the topic, I just say. In the ghetto we have a fight for my own. My black brother them nah live a crumb. Hungry dog them need some bone. Baby a ball and grandma moan. My black sister them can't find a pound. Food gone up and the money gone down. All I see is darkness all around. Man them around the place like a western. Man them not left them Smith and western. Man them are dead like a western. No work, no money, not earn. It seems like it's not a concern. It's them don't come around. So what you feel say? Him and them a frown and him and them a shot. White and brown. They can't take them for clown. Starboy! Me say me fight for me right, I say me fight for your cause. Whole them system, I say me Benny Pampas. Babylon see me, them brand me outlaw. Them can't touch me style. Can't match me flash. Them see me now me hoodie and me tilt up car. Hype up themself but put behind bar. Fling out and cover and start search up me car. Oh me now work and me drive with the car. Up in my face like them want me if you want. Meanwhile me a pray. Me bust a piece of time. I say officer you take it too far. Yeah. Me say we stop. Take a look. You them got skills, them read many books. As you see them, we just brand them as man get killed. Me fight for my right, I say me fight for your cause. Who let system, I say me benefit.